If you have ever blown an account as a Forex beginner, this video is for you. If you have been using indicator that lags, this video is for you. Also, as a struggling Forex trader, this video is for you. So today I'm going to show you guys simple indicator that actually works without lagging. And also, if you want to become a profitable trader, I will advise you to stick around, watch this video, how I'm going to set up this indicator and show you trades I've taken on my live funded account. So stick around, watch this video to the end, and I'm going to show you how you can use it. Alright, so first thing you have to do is to head onto your laptop, and when you head onto your laptop, go to Trading View either on your mobile device or your laptop. So when you head on there, you go to indicator, click on indicator, then you type in Bollinger Band. I know most of you actually started trading Forex using indicators, and most traders will always say that it doesn't work. Most say that it works, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you that indicator actually work, right? A lot of indicator actually work, but it depends on how you use it, or if you know how to use it properly. If you don't know how to use it properly, then you are going to actually say that it doesn't work. But in this video, I'm going to break down how you can use Bollinger Band to make accurate entries and results. Getting good results with Bollinger Band is very, very good, because I've actually been using this indicator for some time now, and I've been getting crazy results and also coming out with good profits. And I'm going to show you that how you can set it up and start using it profitably. So when you come on here, you search Bollinger Band. So I already have it. I'm not going to add it again. So once you click on Bollinger Band, it will give you these settings, right? This is how it's going to look. And with these settings like this, you can't use it to have a proper result. You have to set it up in such a way that it will give you what you really want. So most people set indicators this way, and then they don't even know how to use with default settings. They head on to using that indicator, and probably they don't get the result they are looking for. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set it properly and use it without having any problem, right? So you can use this indicator either on your phone or laptop, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use laptop for transparency and also for you to get it clearly. So now the settings is going to be like this, and all you have to do is to double tap. If you're using laptop, when you double tap, you'll see the settings. The length is going to be 20. The basic MA type is going to be SMA. Source is going to be close. STD delve is 2 and offset is 0. Then the style, you can style it according to how you want the color to be. For me, I use red, the basic blue, and then the lower is green. So also for the visibility, you leave this for it to be on default. So now, right, so this is it. And for the one I've already set that I make use of, this is it. And how do you get these settings? You double tap here, and this is just the exact settings I use to make rightful decision on how I enter trades, getting accurate entries. So for length, this is 200. Basic MA type is SMA. Source is close. STD depth is 2, and then offset is 0. So these are the settings. Then for style, you can choose your own color. If you don't like this one, you can choose your own color, and the background is black, so which means the background is if I increase it to 100%, it actually shows no charts, so you can see how it covers all the charts. So you take it to 0, and then you can change this to green. This is going to be red, and then the basic is going to be blue. So for the visibility, you can leave this one to be at default settings. So after that, after adding the indicator to your phone or your laptop, or your chart is going to look exactly like this. And now for you to use this properly, is not just depending on the indicator alone, right? This is where most of you still struggle to become profitable, or say that indicator doesn't work. But I'm going to show you guys that this actually works, and I'll be using this. When you see me swing trade, holding trade for days, holding trades for weeks, holding trades for months, this is what I actually use to predict that market direction. So you can see, first of all, I'm going to show you guys that this actually works majorly on the daily time frame, which is the higher time frame. It's either weekly, daily, and 4-hour time frame. You already know that I swing trade a lot. I hold my trades for days and sometimes weeks, right? So first thing you have to do is to spot the key levels on the daily time frame, either on the daily or the weekly. And just as I said here, I'm going to spot this daily supply and demand zone, right? So you can see how I spotted this level and I marked it out. You can see how price came to this zone and then took this low out and then moved to the upside. So now, after you've spotted this key level on the daily time frame, the next thing you have to do is to wait for price to always come into this zone. Like for example, now let me take this out. So I want to replay this so you can see how I usually wait for trades to come into the zone I want to take my entries on. So now, after marking out this level, you can see this is a very strong level, and also this is where the Bollinger Band is. I also waited for it to come. I have to wait for it to come to this level. For it to come to this level, it requires a whole lot of time. So if you cannot wait for it to come to this level, you have to scale down to either the 4 hour. I'm also going to show you guys how to use it on the 4 hour. But first of all, I want to show you guys that it works mostly on the daily time frame. If you want to get accurate results and be able to hold your trades for long, you have to trade it on the daily time frame. And for most of you who don't really want to swing trades, just stick around. I'm going to also show you guys how to use this on the lower time frame. So now on daily time frame, we have to wait for price to come into this demand zone, then take out this demand zone, or sometimes you don't even have to wait for it to take out this demand zone before taking your entry. So let me replay this. Let me play this. So now you can see price waiting patiently for it to come into that zone. So at this point here, some people might take their entry at this point, but I usually wait for it to take this low out before I take any trade, right? So if you take your entry here, sometimes here you might be in drawdown, and also you have to take your profit at this level or this high. But sometimes I set my take profit level at this zone. And yeah, let's play this so you can see what happened, right? Fine. So you can see how it took this level out. Let's wait and see what happens. So what happens next is this, right? Price has taken that low, and you can see after you've waited for price to give you that bullish engulfing candle, the next thing you do is to place your trade. So placing your trade above or beneath this level will give you the entry you've been waiting for. So let's continue playing this. It keeps playing around, then move straight into profit. So you can see this is almost 1:3 risk to reward for those who really want to get good swing trading like this, and then take profit hits. So this is the exact method I use in trading. And now, since price has gotten to this key level again on the daily time frame, and also you can see that the price is at this Bollinger Band level. So what do I have to wait for? I have to wait for price to take out this high again, and then I will wait for either M pattern or bullish or bearish engulfing candlestick to form, and then I take my entry again. So let's wait and see what happens. So I keep playing this. You can see price is at the Bollinger Band level and also the key level. So I want to, yeah, price has taken it out. And now after price has taken this level out, I want to place my sell around this level. So what I'm going to be waiting for is either an M pattern or bearish engulfing candlestick. So I've marked that level. I want to see that M formation before I take any trade. So now, yeah, it has taken that, and right now this is where I'm going to take my entry. This is GBP USD, and this is I'm filming this video on the 11th of June. So you can see this is the current market price, and I'm going to take my entry because price is just resting above this key level. So I'll set my stop loss above this level. Since you're going to swing this trade, so it's proper to use a very good stop loss. You can use 300 pip stop loss, and yeah, you have to calculate your risks. Sometimes, yeah, you can also swing it back to this level here, but you also have to consider DXY when trading this. So now, since this is the current market price, I'm also going to come back to this video next time. I'm going to record this type of content. So if you are new here, kindly hit that subscribe button and check the description to join my Telegram channel to see how I trade and also call out trades using this same method to my free Telegram community. So check the description to get all this info. And also for the mobile view, I'm going to show you how to analyze this properly using the mobile version on your phone next time you see me here. So do well to subscribe and see you guys in my next video.